Welcome to Zero to SAP Hero, where we turn confusion into confidence. Today, we're answering a simple but powerful question: what is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. It's a software used by the world's biggest companies to manage their operations. From inventory and sales to finance and HR, SAP helps businesses run smoothly. If a company wants real-time information and smart automation, SAP is the backbone. Whether it's Apple, Nike, or Coca-Cola, chances are, they rely on SAP. Learning SAP can launch your career in IT, business, supply chain, finance, and more. It's one of the most in-demand skills across industries. In this series, we'll break down SAP step by step, simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. From modules to transactions, you'll gain practical skills, fast. So if you're ready to grow your career and master SAP, hit that subscribe button and become the hero of your SAP journey.